After nearly 2 weeks of testing the iBasso DX340, I'm excited to share my experiences with this remarkable digital audio player. From unboxing its thoughtfully curated accessories to exploring its versatile features and diving into its exceptional sound quality, the DX340 has proven to be a standout device. In this review, I'll walk you through my impressions, including detailed listening tests with some of my favorite tracks, and discuss how it performs across various setups. Let's dive in. The iBasso DX340 comes well-equipped straight out of the box. Inside, you'll find the player itself, along with a premium genuine leather carry case to protect the chassis from scratches. For screen protection, the package includes several flexible screen protectors and 2 high-quality glass ones. To enhance versatility, you get a coaxial cable that lets the DX340 function as a digital transport when connected to an external deck. There's also a balanced burn-in cable to optimize the player's performance during the initial setup phase. This cable is a simple yet effective tool for conditioning the DX340's capacitors and circuitry. To use it, play standard resolution music at normal listening volume. Higher resolutions or volumes generate excess heat and strain the system. During burn-in, both the balanced and single-ended components are conditioned. The process typically takes 100 to 200 hours. But it doesn't need to be continuous. You can pause and resume anytime. Rounding out the accessories are a USB-C cable for charging, data transfer, and USB DAC functionality, and a 12-volt power supply to keep the DX340 powered up. As I mentioned before, the DX340 includes a coaxial cable that allows it to function as a digital transport when connected to an external deck. By using this cable, you can play music stored on the DX340 through an external device equipped with a coaxial input port, delivering high-quality audio performance. The mini coaxial output has the highest output priority, automatically disabling the headphones out or line out when the cable is connected. This ensures seamless operation and prevents signal conflicts. The coaxial output supports an impressive resolution of up to 768 kHz, ensuring exceptional audio fidelity for your external audio setup. The USB-C cable included with the DX340 offers versatile functionality. Use it to charge the player by connecting it to a USB charger or a computer. When connected to a computer, the DX340 can serve as a card reader or external storage device, allowing you to access and manage files with ease. It also supports OTG or on-the-go functionality, enabling playback of music files stored on an OTG storage device. Additionally, the DX340 can function as a USB DAC when connected to a Windows PC or Mac, enhancing your computer's audio output with the DX340's high-quality digital-to-analog conversion. The DX340 offers 2 headphone output options for flexible audio connectivity. A 3.5mm single-ended output that supports both headphones and external audio systems. When used in standard mode, it allows you to connect headphones with a 3.5mm single-ended jack for personal listening. Alternatively, selecting line-out mode transforms this port into a 3.5mm single-ended line-out, ideal for connecting to external amplifiers or audio systems for an enhanced listening experience. For balanced audio, plug in a 4.4mm balanced earphone to utilize the 4.4mm balanced phone port. Like the single-ended output, selecting line-out mode converts this port into a 4.4mm balanced line-out, enabling connections to balanced external amplifiers or audio equipment for enhanced audio fidelity and performance. The DX340 also includes a microSD card slot, allowing you to expand its storage capacity by up to 2 TB, With a simple insertion of a micro SD card, you can effortlessly access and play your entire library of stored music files. The DX340 is equipped with intuitive controls that make navigation and music playback effortless. The power button allows for versatile functionality. A short press turns the LCD screen on or off, while a long press brings up a pop-up menu with options to power off, reboot, or switch to Mango OS. The volume wheel provides precise control, increasing the volume when rotated clockwise and decreasing it when rotated counterclockwise. The play-pause button enables quick playback control with a short press to play or pause music. Track navigation is equally simple, with the next fast-forward button skipping to the next track with a short press or fast-forwarding through the current track with a long press. Similarly, the previous or rewind button replaces the previous track with a short press and rewinds with a long press. These straightforward controls ensure a seamless and enjoyable listening experience on the DX340. After allowing the DX340 to burn in thoroughly, using the supplied burning cable along with a variety of IEMs and headphones, I embarked on critical listening tests to evaluate its sonic performance. To illustrate its sound characteristics, I'll describe my impressions using two of my favorite test tracks, Hotel California by Eagles and Get Lucky by Daft Punk. For these tests, I paired the DX340 with the iBasso SR3 headphones and the Audiophile OH700VB in-ear monitors, the latter equipped with a DD Hi-Fi BC130 upgrade cable. The DX340 stands out for its smooth, analog-like tonality, excellent detail retrieval, and a wide, precise soundstage. These qualities combine to deliver a sound signature that is both natural and immersive. Listening to Hotel California through the iBasso SR3 headphones was a transformative experience. The DX340's analog tonality lent a sense of warmth and authenticity to the track. The acoustic guitars were rich and lifelike, with every pluck and strum ringing out clearly. Don Henley's vocals were anchored at the center, surrounded by backing instruments that filled an expansive and well-defined soundstage. The SR3 headphones, when paired with the DX340, brought out the song's intricate layers, capturing both the emotional depth and technical brilliance of this classic recording. On Get Lucky, the DX340 showcased its ability to handle modern production with finesse. The bass lines were tight and punchy, while the rhythm guitar from Nile Rodgers shimmered with clarity and detail. Pharrell Williams' vocals were natural and precise, sitting perfectly within the mix. The wide soundstage and excellent separation made each element, from the funky beats to the smooth electronic textures, distinct yet cohesive. The SR3 headphones paired with the DX340 delivered a dynamic and vibrant listening experience. When paired with the Audiophile OH700VB in-ear monitors, Get Lucky took on a slightly different character. The OH700VB emphasized the bassline with deeper resonance and added energy, which was complemented by the DX340's smooth tonality to avoid any harshness. Subtle details, like the atmospheric effects and background layers, were more pronounced, showcasing the DX340's superb detail retrieval. The synergy between the OH700VB and DX340 made this track feel lively and immersive. Revisiting Hotel California with the OH700VB revealed the DX340's adaptability across gear. The OH700VB brought a slight emphasis to the percussive elements, giving the kick drum and tambourine more presence. Despite this added focus, the acoustic guitars remained detailed and resonant, while the vocal harmonies retained their depth and clarity. The DX340's wide and precise soundstage ensured that every instrument had its space, resulting in a deeply engaging and balanced presentation. The DX340 delivers a sound experience that is smooth and detailed, with an analog charm that enhances both classic and modern recordings. Its wide soundstage and exceptional clarity make it a versatile performer, equally adept at handling the intricate layers of Hotel California and the dynamic energy of Get Lucky, whether paired with headphones or in-ear monitors. The iBasso DX340 is a digital audio player that truly delivers on its promise of high-fidelity sound and versatility. Its smooth, analog-like tonality, excellent detail retrieval, and expansive soundstage create an immersive and engaging listening experience. Whether paired with high-quality headphones or IEMs, it consistently brings out the best in any track, from timeless classics to modern productions. With its robust build, thoughtful accessories, and versatile features like USB DAC functionality and expandable storage, the DX340 proves to be a top-tier choice for audiophiles. After nearly 2 weeks of testing, I can confidently say that the DX340 has exceeded my expectations and is a device I'd recommend to anyone looking to elevate their music experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more audio reviews. See you in the next one.